The Ethiopian Institute for Agricultural Research, in collaboration with International Livestock Research Institute, has launched the Land, Soil and Crop Information Service project. Let's get more from the report. This was made public at the stakeholders' awareness-raising event on the development of smart innovations through research in agriculture, which contributes to the implementation of climate-smart agriculture and increase agricultural productivity. Speaking at the launching program, advisor to the State Minister at the Ministry of Agriculture, Antana Fekadu, said the Ethiopian agriculture faces multiple challenges as manifested in climate change and variability, soil fertility depletion and soil erosion at large, resulting in huge yield gaps, thus undermining the national effort to attain food and nutrition security. He said such a giant development need cannot be achieved in a business-as-usual way doing things.
I would like to inform you that Ethiopian government in general and Ministry of Agriculture in particular is committed to support the implementation of this project as part of the efforts to operationalize digital agricultural extension and advisory service in Ethiopia and sustain building big database system to be used for research and extension system.
Soil and Water Research Director at Ethiopian Institute of Agricultural Research, Biru Yitaferu, on his part said the project is highly relevant and timely in terms of increasing stakeholders' awareness and strengthening efforts of adapting to climate change through promoting integrated agricultural research and introduction of appropriate technologies into agricultural extension service in Ethiopia.
Decision making using data is really very difficult in this country. We cannot get research reporters as conducive as possible for decision making. There are fragments of information. There are fragmented research. Even the activities are fragmented. When I heard this project has the intention to consolidate data and for decision making as well as information service from bigger data, I think it's really timely for us, for EIAR, to use our data as well as to bring data from different sources, and then our capacity will be, improved.
He further explained that the knowledge and information service of this project supports extension workers and other service providers to grasp techniques and tools of climate-smart agriculture to enable farmers cope up with climate-induced shocks. Scientists for climate-smart agriculture and policy at ISRIC, Kenya, John Recha, also said the objective of the project is to develop land, soil and crop information service hub in the Ethiopian Institute of Agricultural Research.
Having started off with workshops of a similar nature in Rwanda, in Ethiopia and then Rwanda, we are continuing so that we can end up as a research institute of ISRIC together with our colleagues in the Netherlands and the national research institutions that are there in the region of Kenya, Rwanda and Ethiopia. We seek to be able to empower our farmers with the necessary knowledge and skills that will be essential in increasing productivity per unit area, in increasing income and achieving food and nutrition security.
He added information in one center is not enough to do research, and he said, adding that volume of data is important for decision making. It was learned that the project is implemented in 3 countries, Ethiopia, Rwanda and Kenya.